Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn science answers easily. First, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just rote memorization. Engage with your material by actively reading. Highlight important terms and definitions, and pause to formulate questions. This approach helps solidify your understanding and makes recalling information much simpler. Next, leverage visual aids to enhance your learning. Drawing diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps can clarify complex processes and relationships. Always try to connect new scientific information to concepts you already understand. Using simple analogies can also make abstract principles much more concrete and easier to grasp, improving retention. Third, consistent practice is crucial for mastering science. Actively solve practice problems and review questions from previous exams to identify areas needing more attention. A great way to solidify your knowledge is to explain concepts aloud to a friend or even to yourself. Applying scientific principles to real-world situations also deepens your understanding. Finally, effective review strategies are key to long-term retention. Utilize spaced repetition, revisiting material at increasing intervals to move information into your long-term memory. Regularly review your notes and summaries to reinforce what you've learned. Make sure to identify and actively address any specific topics that continue to confuse you for complete mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.